Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Roland, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And I have almost completed our tutorial for advanced modeling and massing environment. I have introduced to you techniques that you can continue to start your project from basic to complex modeling. All you need to do is just continuously practice and master it. You need to know what to use or when to use solid and surface masses. Solid and surface masses can be both used to maintain the relationship to host geometry like walls and roofs, just like what our topic for today. Today's tutorial, I'm going to use these solid masses to make another geometry. Uh, Without any further ado, now let's start. So I have opened Revit, and then I'm going to open this generic model mass family that we have created 2 days back. I'll click this and open, and then this is the family that we have created 2 days back. We have created this in generic model. As you can see, there is extrusion, blend, revolve, sweep, sweep blend, void, and this was created using this blend, solid blend. So the next thing that we're going to do is to make another geometry inside of this blend that we have created. So we're going to create another geometry that is sweep, this sweep. Then I'm going to sweep, like I'm making a cantilever. So pick a part, then I'll do it here, 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 here. So I'll do it around like this, just like I have created in previous exercise that we have done. We have done this cantilever table, so it's almost the same, also the same. I made it like this. So the next thing that I'm going to do is just accept this. I'm going to accept it, finish mode, edit mode, and then we'll go and the next that we're going to do is we'll make a profile, or if you have a profile you can select a profile, but we have not downloaded any profile. We don't have profile there, and we didn't upload anything, so we'll do edit profile. And then from edit profile we'll make a square, rectangle. Then I'm going to go like this, and then you can lock it, lock it. Then the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to make a parameter like this, and then another parameter going here, and we'll name this parameter frame 1, name it frame 1, frame 1, 1, and make it instance, and then change the group parameter. I'll place it there in constraints, and then instance, then okay. And then here I will name this one frame 2, frame 2, make it instance, and then frame 2, and then place it also there in constraints, and then okay. Okay, that is our profile. Then we're going to finish this, finish edit mode, and then finish again edit mode, and then that's it. The next is you can see the model that we have created, height, here like this, and you can change your dimensions. Let's say we need to change our frame 1.5, and then frame 2 1.5 also. Apply. Now it's flexing. To change it to 2, and then 2, it's flexing. And then you can make a twist also. You can twist this. See, well, like, oh, it's not twisting because this is already 0, like, because it's constrained. And then the thing that we can do is we can change the BW, let's say 7, and make this one 9, right? Okay, we can make it, there is differences of 12, we can make it 9, and make it 11, right? We can change the height into 15, right? We can make the height, let's say, okay, we'll make our frame 2.5 or 3. I'll say 3, apply, and make this one 3 also, apply. Now that's our frame. Now we're going to load this into project. We will load this into project. Then next that we're going to do is go to Home tab, and then go to Model, New Model, and select this architecture template, and then okay. And this is our project. I want to change our unit to meters. Unit, UN, meters. 2 decimal places, okay, and then okay. Then I'm going to open massing and site, and then open this show mass, and then place in place mass, and then we accept this default mass 1, then okay. Then you go back to your view, and then in the view you need to load this into project. You will load it into project, load into project. Then I click anywhere, I click it there, and then again I just go to 3D and check the 3D, and here there is the one that we have created earlier. But there is a problem. Still you can see this pattern. We have created our script in this blend, so we need to remove this blend. So how to do that? You just go back to your view that we have created, you open it, and the reset, temporary hide, and just select this, and you just see this now visible, and check that visibility, and then you check it. You can check it here, preview visibility. This preview visibility, if you turn it on, whatever this one is showing here, that turns it on like this, the same it will also, that's why the name is preview. So it means to say whatever this, you cannot see that one, the same thing you can show it there in the project that we have opened. So the next thing that we're going to do, we just close this one off, and then I have turned off the visibility and check it, and then I'm going to load it into project again, load into project, and then override existing parameter, and then see in 3D, now it's gone. Now this is the model that we have done. Now the next we need to finish this mask. Finish the mask, and there is the mask that we have created. Then next, we're going to uh, go to south. Double click this south in project browser, and then you can add levels. Make this level 333. Make it 3, 3, uh, 3, and then I'm going to right click it and create similar, and then touch this one thick line, and then make this line 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, and then okay, let's go to 3D, and there here is our level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, level 6. Now we can create a slab, create a floor mask, and then what we do is just check this, check 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 5, and then apply. There is your level. See, this is our level. And then in this level, you can create a roof. You just go to masking on site, and then let's say we'll make a floor. You can make a floor because we have already a floor, and then create a floor. You just only click all these things. Just click this, 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 and the other one we will make it create a floor. Then we have a floor, and then you can create a wall if you want. You go back to this and select a wall, and then you can create a wall here. Wall, 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 wall. See, make a wall here. Okay, well, let's make it realistic. There is our wall. I want to make a wall also here. Make wall, I'm still there in wall, and then can create a wall here, and here, and also here, and also here, and also here, there, here. And we can also create a curtain system. You just click this one, and just select this, and then create curtain. Then we have a curtain there, and select this also, and then make curtain system, and then also this one, curtain system. You can make a curtain also here. Can select it, this one. Okay, curtain also. Create a curtain system. Again, can create a roof. We go to masking and just make a roof. Then I can select this top and create a roof. And also this one, create a roof, and this one, create a roof, and then this one, create a roof. Then that's it. And then also slab there, it's already created. We have slab there. Okay. And then this one is also making a mullion. If you will select this one, you can create a mullion. You have this curtain system, and you just go there, and you can change the dimension and spacing of this curtain. You can make this one grid, make it 1.5 also. Apply. See, and then you can apply mullions. Let's say I'm going to make a mullion square, rectangle mullions. Make it all the same. Horizontal, Yeah? Also here, make it rectangle mullion also, and then make it rectangle mullion also. Like now, here is our here is the model that we have created. Now this guys, that's it. And tomorrow we will try this adaptive component. We are there in generic model, and we will going to try this adaptive component that we have created yesterday, this one, and we will do the same. We will do the same, how to do that, how to make it like this one. We're going to make a geometry also inside of this one that we have created yesterday. So guys, that's it for today, and we will continue tomorrow. Thank you guys. Bye.